Hello friends, hope you're well, and today I have a different idea for your background, that is background playhouse for kids. A backyard playhouse is a great way to encourage kids to spend more time outdoors and engage in imaginative plays. There are many ideas for designing and building a backyard playhouse that can be customized to fit the specific needs and preferences of your family. One idea for a backyard playhouse is to create a miniature version of real house. This can include features like windows, doors, and even a porch. The playhouse can be painted in bright colors or decorated with fun designs to make it a playful and inviting space for kids. Another option is to build a treehouse playhouse. This type of playhouse can be constructed using a tree as a support structure or by building a standalone structure that is elevated off the ground. This design can be customized with features like swings, slides, and climbing walls to create an exciting and engaging play space. For a more rustic and natural feel, a long cabin style playhouse can be built using rough hands log and natural materials. This type of playhouse can include features like a loft, a fireplace, and a front porch to create a cozy and inviting space for kids to play. Regardless of the design, a backyard playhouse can provide a safe and fun space for kids to play and explore their imaginations. It can also be a great DIY project for parents and kids to work on together, fostering teamwork and creativity. With a little bit of planning and creativity, a backyard playhouse can be a fantastic addition to any family's backyard. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the information and the ideas in it. Do tell us from where you're watching our videos. We would like to thank you. And if you like our channel, if you like our videos, subscribe us and hit the like button and keep watching and supporting us. And do tell us what kind of ideas and which kind of videos you want to watch. We would like to share it with you.